Hello and welcome. My name is Coco, and if you've been sitting, working, or carrying stress all day, this is the practice for you. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. This is a short practice, so save it if you want to come back to it later this week. Let's begin. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Gently allow your chest to rise on your inhale and exhale. Release. Take another deep, intentional breath and slowly flutter your eyes open. Inhale, lift the shoulders up and back and roll. Release any tension in your upper body. And exhale, roll them down forward. Come back to neutral. Let your breath guide you as you take your right ear towards your right shoulder. No pulling, just gravity. Exhale, release the tension and switch sides. Inhale back to center. Exhale, release the chin towards the chest. Inhale up. Exhale, release down for about 3 or 4 rounds. On your next inhale, slowly lift the gaze up, only as far as it feels comfortable, and lean over to the right, then over to the left as you gaze up, and release and come back to center and neutral. Exhale, press the palms into your knees and round the spine for cat-cow. Inhale as you press the sternum forward. Exhale, release back, curling the spine. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. And come back to center. Slowly bring your arms forward and wrap your arms. Any variation works. Lift the elbows slightly and feel the stretch in your upper back. Inhale, open to cactus arms, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and repeat on the other side. Gently wrapping the arms in the opposite direction, pressing the palms together if you can, and lifting the elbows slightly. Inhale, open the chest to cactus arms, arms at a 90-degree angle, palms facing forward. Exhale, close, palms pressed together. Inhale, cactus arms open. Exhale, close in. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. And release. Slowly release both of your arms to the side, and we'll take a side stretch here. Left arm sweeps up and over as you reach over to the right. Inhale, exhale, release any tension, and release. We'll switch over to the other direction. Right arm reaches up. Exhale, lean gently to the side and breathe into the side of the body and release. Inhale, rise both of the arms up. Take a seated twist, gazing behind your right shoulder. You can press your left hand into your right knee here as well to anchor yourself. Think of this as ringing out your day. Inhale, rise the arms up, and we'll switch to the other side. Inhale, rise the arms back, come back to center, hands to heart center, and release. We'll take a couple of wrist circles here. Next, interlace the fingers, palms facing forward. Inhale, rise the arms up as you interlace the fingers, then bring them behind your head, elbows out. Gently press your head into your palms to relieve any neck tension. And then bring your elbows together, rounding your upper back. Exhale, release down. Inhale, come back up. Palms behind your head as you breathe. Exhale, release down. Inhale, press back up. Exhale, release back down. And release both of the arms down. Interlace the fingers behind you. Inhale, lift the chest and gaze gently upward. Open through the front of the body. And slowly release back into your seat. Breathe deeply. Sit comfortably. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Notice how your back, shoulders, and neck feel now. This is a practice you can return to anytime you need a quick reset, especially before bed. Breathe gently into your breath. Release any leftover tension in the body. Allow yourself to just be in this moment. Slowly flutter your eyes open when you're ready. Palms to heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining today's 8-minute seated reset. I hope that this helped alleviate any tension in your body. And if you did enjoy, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next practice.